You like me? Pick it, Rick. Oi, you caught me on my live. How it's almost, February. What up? What's that? Agad-agad. Binubola mo ako. How's life, Wedge? Wait ha, wait. Watch my live. You like me, but fool, what fool you mean? What do you mean by fool? Oh, thank you, Sir R. Shout out to Sir Russell R. Thank you for get over. Thank you for the gift. I can make my niece tonight because she's busy. Maybe tomorrow. She promised me to make a video. Okay? Just wait. Because now she's busy on doing her project. But she said good. We'll make another video for the dance. You're my fantasy. Oh, really? Thank you. Marami ka ng asawa at anak. Taga rito ka. No, isa lang yung anak ko. I have only one child. I don't have husband. I am a single mother. I am not married before. No, I'm just a single mother. Because we're living together with my ex-boyfriend about almost 12 years. And then we broke last 2022. Ano plano mo today? Like, today, matutulog. Kasi gabi. I'm planning to go to sleep. Sir R, you can buy more super chat. And guys, wala ka. Oh, wala. Kita mga anak lang. Wait guys wait. Oh my god, it's freezing. Why? Oh, nawala yung net ko. Oo, wala. Kaya yung may app lang ako. I have. Kung nagtitent kami, we're playing in a question of playhouse. And then we sleep over.